Storm Tracker 7 weather is presented by Panhandle Cleaning and Restoration.
Happy Tuesday to you. Storm Tracker 7 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Booth here. Hopefully you had a chance to enjoy the weather. It was pretty nice out there. I thought so. We had some sunshine in the afternoon. Temperatures got into the upper 30s, low 40s. Pretty good by early February standards. You can see 33 right now in Caddo, 33 in Steubenville. We're looking at 37 degrees in Wheeling, and we're generally, most of us, in the mid to upper 30s across the area. Still holding on to the upper 30s as you move on down into Moundsville and into New Martinsville. Here's a look, though, at what we're tracking on the satellite and radar imagery. We've had that sunshine. Notice a couple of clouds starting to sneak in. These are going to be coming out ahead of the chance for a little bit of weather before you know it. By this time tomorrow, could be dealing with a little bit of rain, maybe even a little bit of a wintry mix in some areas. And here's what we're looking at on the bigger picture. That cloud cover kind of streaming on through here. And yeah, we'll be looking at the chance for those increasing clouds through the overnight hours, but we're also watching for tomorrow night. We're going to have winter weather advisory starting at 7 p.m. tomorrow for Ohio, Belmont, Guernsey, Muskingum, and counties northward. And the major threat with this, that wintry mix, could see a little bit of light snow, but also a little light ice. I don't think we're going to see a ton of it, but could see accumulations from a light glaze to maybe a tenth of an inch in some of these areas. So we're going to have to be watching out for that. Now, the one thing we have going for us is as this hits, yeah, we're going to have to watch out for a little bit of light glaze, but temperatures are actually going to be coming up as we head through the overnight hours tomorrow night. That's going to help to melt that. Also, with some rain, that will help to melt it as well. But if you're going to be out and about late tomorrow, early Thursday, watch out for some slick spots. And you can see our temperature outlook Thursday and Saturday getting into the 50s, and the rest of the days are going to be pretty close to average on that 7-day forecast. Then we jump ahead towards the 12th to the 18th of the month. Looks like we have a decent shot at near normal conditions temperature-wise. Slightly above normal conditions when it comes to that precip. And when we actually look at the month of February as a whole, well, right now the overall thinking is that it'll be warmer than average temperature-wise and wetter than average when it comes to the precip factor. So we'll have to be watching because we have some cold air infusions. Well, on this hits, that would be snow, but if it's that warmer air and the rain hits, we'll be talking, or I should say, warmer air and the moisture hits, we'll be talking about rain. Here's a look at what we're tracking, though. Storm Tracker 7 predictor. Clouds building a little bit tonight, but really through the overnight hours, they start to build. By 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, a cold start to the day. At lunchtime, you might see a flurry or two here or there, but generally most of the day is dry. Late in the day, we have to watch out for that wintry mix coming through here. Here's midnight, a little bit of light icing possible out in our western, northern counties. Same story as we head towards 2, but again, as we get into the middle of the night, we start to see some warmer air work in. That turns over to all rain, which will help melt things. I'd still be careful driving in on Thursday, but really the later you get out on the roads, the better it will be for you. It's looking like that on Thursday. So a PM mix possible with a little light ice tomorrow. Night into early Thursday, 37 for a high, 57 with rain, especially through the morning hours. We dry out a little in the afternoon on Friday. Breezy, or on Thursday, I should say. Breezy on Friday and into Saturday. 39 on Friday. Could see a little bit of light ice or a mix early over to rain on Saturday, 51. Early rain on Sunday, then we're drying out with some sunshine, and we will be looking at the chance for wintry mix by the end of that 7-day with temperatures back near average on Monday and Tuesday.